go.
This way. These multi-leg wheels, man, they're tough. Got one going, and then what I like to do is keep the impact at a low setting when I put them in. Okay, next. See, now I'm slower on this wheel because the lug bolt hole on this one's actually smaller. So it's a lot harder when you have stock lug nuts. Come on. You see what I mean? Okay. It's slightly off-centered. Good. That just out of the way. Let me drop this side. Now for this one, we put it in the back of the diff. One, two, the other two. This is actually the way they do pit stops during NASA endurance events. Same thing, because they don't have super fast jacks or anything like that. Okay, next. Home stretch, home stretch. One, two. Oops. Okay. Good. Don't forget your torque wrench. All right, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. Now you want to crisscross these to make sure they apply pressure evenly so you don't kink the tire. or the wheel. And I always like to go back to the first one after, just to make sure. Woo-wee. Woo! That's it. Cut.